Welcome to Donna Cooking. I put together a healthy ramen bowl this week. It only takes like 30 minutes to make. You can have it for lunch or dinner. You can have it plant-based or not. I have tofu and edamame in mine, but of course you can use chicken and keep it low cholesterol and heart healthy. Let's get started on today's video. I know it's going to be one that you will love. It's a cold winter day here in Alaska, and I'm going to take you outside really quick so you can look at the thermometer. We've got lots of snow. Look at that on our railing. I'm going to come around here and so you can see the temperature. Oh, it's like 35 below. That being said, I think we need to make a nice warm meal that will warm us up. Since it's so chilly out today, let's put together a really delicious, flavorful, high protein, low cholesterol ramen that everyone will absolutely love. We're going to make a miso broth, and I'll be using tofu, but you can use chicken, whatever protein that you like. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So we better just get started on today's recipe. First thing I'm going to do is get my broth started. So I have a couple garlic cloves that I smashed right here and a little bit of ginger. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the saucepan. And then I'm going to add 3 cups of vegetable broth. And if you want to make it with chicken, you can use chicken broth. Now in my Ziploc bag, I put a couple servings of tofu. And next I'm going to add just a little bit of cornstarch because I'm going to fry this up and get it crispy. Add a little nutritional yeast, garlic powder. Also, while the broth is simmering, I'm going to cook some of this millet and brown rice ramen. You get this at Costco. Go ahead and put a little avocado oil in my pan. I also cooked up some edamame. So the edamame with the tofu makes for a nice high protein meal for the ramen. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'd love to hear where you're watching from. It's been a crazy month in January in Alaska with lots of cold weather. So we're making lots of warming foods like this ramen bowl. So I hope that you guys can enjoy it too, no matter where you are. The water's boiling, so I'm going ahead and drop in the ramen. Got the ramen all cooked and drained, ran under some cold water, put it in a bowl, and added a little drizzle of this sesame oil. It gives it a great little taste and helps it not stick together. To my ramen bowl, I'm going to be adding some mushrooms and bok choy. But of course, if you are making it, you want to add whatever vegetables that you would absolutely love to have. Now to the broth, I'm going to add some miso. I think we got everything ready. I'm going to give this broth a quick taste, make sure it's good. It turned out great. Let's plate this up. I'm excited to put together my high protein, low cholesterol, healthy ramen bowl, and it's going to be so good, and I'm looking forward to eating it. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. I get to enjoy this, but I hope that you guys can make it soon. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your week's going. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.